Mom headed out for a short time, but we are having some pretty nasty rain and really strong wind. I mean, stronger than the other storm I was recording. Really big, scary gusts. But Mom's car is not there right now, so it's not in the way. This storm is actually kind of scary. Once again, the wind is blown away from me, so I'm feeling a suction feeling out of my window instead of coming in. The air is flowing out. It is so weird. It's like a vacuum. And the birds hiding in that tree. Yeah, those birds are smart. They got the hell out of there. Of course, the wind was really gusting until I picked up my camera, and then it just kind of slowed down. Oh, nature, why do you do this to me? Come on, give me a big gust of wind. Come on. Better be careful what I wish for. I might trigger lightning or something. Oh, there we go. Here comes a big one, I think. I apologize if there's like whooshing going over the microphone. The wind is quite strong. Oh, here we go. It's got a very strong pull. At least it'll mask the sound of my stomach growling because it's dinner time. There's a flag down the block that is just flapping away. I don't think you can see it though. I can with my eyes. The camera, I don't know. But it's a red flag. If you happen to see it when it's on YouTube, I've got a tiny screen so I can't really see much on it. At least not little tiny details like a flag way in the distance. But it has been just about this dark all day long. That's like how thick and nasty the clouds are. Whoa, here's a big gust. Oh yeah. I feel like it's sucking me towards the window. It's so weird. It's funny because it doesn't really look very dramatic, but it's actually very strong wind. If you were standing here feeling it, like sucking me towards the window, you would get it, that it's a pretty constant and strong wind that just, it kind of gusts up. But we got unstable air all over the place, so what do you expect? Wind! The constant roar in the background is the freeway. I won't say which freeway it is, but it's a major one. There's a sound wall, that's the brick wall behind the houses across the street. There's a sound wall there. There's a freeway behind that, and that's what you're hearing. That constant roaring noise. It just keeps getting darker and darker and darker, but it's also turning towards sunset too, so that's contributing. That was a motion light that just turned off. Yeah, it'll just start to blow really gusty again as soon as I turn the camera off, but my legs are getting tired from being in this position. So, I think this is long enough anyway. So there you go.